Hello, friends. Hope all you are doing good. Today, I am going to talk about how to turn your loneliness into some action this festive season. The festive season is a time of a joy. Some people truly love it, but for many, it can trigger loneliness and anxiety. Feeling lonely is a common and normal, whether or not we are living through this pandemic. The pressure to be happy can be relentless, but it is important to take a proactive approach to meet not only our emotional needs but also to maintain our mental well being. With the pandemic, holidays are likely to be challenging. Instead, meet them head on with a renewed dedication and a proactive mindset to avoid holiday blues. Today, I am going to discuss some tricks for you. Say yes to socializing. When we are experiencing loneliness, it can be easy to slip into the habit of saying no to social activities. Seclusion can make it challenging to feel driven, and the mere thought of physically seeing people can lead to stress. Hence, it is recommended to saying yes to mingling to help build your confidence. Something as simple as going for a walk with a friend or chatting with your loved ones over the phone can make a huge difference. Get distracted with a healthy coping strategies. Distraction can be useful when it's done with the intention of proactively giving yourself a break. For instance, it is recommended to watch a movie to take your mind off stressful thoughts instead of drinking alcoholic beverages to forget loneliness. Taking a break will help prevent burnout and will enable you to deal with problems better. Devote your time to others. An effective way to beat loneliness during the festive season is by helping others who are less fortunate. The good cause will remind you of all you have to be appreciated for. This will help you to be a part of something larger, thus, immersing yourself in the true spirit of the holiday season. Make the most of the technology. For those with distant loved ones, technology can prove to be an enabler in helping to keep family traditions alive. For instance, celebrate the festive cheer virtually or opening festive gifts on video calls amidst all family members. Taking a moment to network with someone, communicating about shared interests or found memories, even if it's online, can play a major role in reminding us of our good times. Don't be afraid to speak up. Confiding in reliable friends or relatives about how you feel can often lift the weight off your shoulder, thus making you feel less isolated. So, this festival, mingle with friends and build your confidence.